Wow, someone really liked cosplaying Mikon. Oh, I quite literally have not done this in months. Jesus, I need a haircut. Oh! Now we're ready. Hi, I'm Shell and I'm a cosplayer. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Or if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Long time no see. Unless you were one of the like 200-ish people that saw my last video last week that was a sewing tutorial gone wrong. If you were one of those people that watched it, thank you so much. I really appreciate it when you guys support my content even when it's different than what I usually put out. So to make up for that longer tutorial video, I figured I'd do something more fun this week, and that is unpacking a cosplay mystery bag. Specifically, this bag. That is really big and actually tearing because of how full it is. Long story, short-ish. For the past 2 years or so, I have been hosting little Comic-Cons and anime cons and like meetup events at Mill No. 5 in Lowell, Massachusetts, in collaboration with a local store called Pop Cultured. These events happen a few times a year, they are always free, and absolutely everyone is welcome. And one thing we have done in the past is a cosplay swap. For the swap, we set up a long line of tables, and people can bring anything relating to cosplay that they no longer want. So we've had bolts of fabric, we've had manga, we've had full entire cosplays, we've had shoes, we've had wigs, we've had props. In a swap event that big, some things ultimately do get left behind, and I, as the host, take responsibility for holding on to them and either bringing them to the next swap or donating them accordingly. That's what this is. These are the stragglers. So I figured you and I can go through this bag of mystery cosplay items, see what we find, and maybe even adopt a few of them ourselves. First thing on the top of our pile is a pile of black something. It's linty. Is it fabric? Is it just a bolt of black fabric? This is gonna throw my lighting so far off. Oh! Hang on, I know what this is. This is a cloak. Ooh, this is like nice. This is really nice and long. The outside is like a polyester fleece, and the inside is the inside of a polyester fleece. It's not lined or anything. I've seen cloaks like these on Amazon quite a bit, usually for like $40, I'd want to say. So this is a really good find for free. Is this who I think it is? I swear to God, oh my gosh. This is totally Peiko. This is Peiko from Danganronpa 2. Free Danganronpa cosplay in this economy? I'm not sure if her skirt is in here too. We'll find out in a minute. But I'm pretty sure it's just a black skirt, which is super easy to find online or at a thrift store. Now the question is, will it fit? Oh! I just pulled it on, but there's a whole invisible zipper I completely missed. It might actually be slightly big for me. You can see the sleeves are a little long and a little wide versus like how I usually like things to fit, but it's definitely not like weirdly large, like it's not hanging off of me. This cosplay has definitely been well loved. If you look at the ribbons on the wrist, you can kind of see there's a little bit of fraying from probably just friction, wearing it, walking around with your arms by your side, but this is in pretty good condition. I have really wanted to cosplay Peiko, so maybe this is a sign that I finally should, and I should keep this. Before I take this off, I want to see if the skirt's in here. This is not a skirt. This is a Hamilton sweatshirt. We tried. This is cute though. This is like a nice sweatshirt. This is a size medium. It's a pretty nice hoodie. Ooh, it even has the Hamilton on the side. This would probably be really nice for any musical theater fan after a good washing, because it's a little linty, but other than that, I have a coworker who's really into Hamilton, so I'm gonna see if she wants this, and if she doesn't, I will pass it on in the swap. There's more Danganronpa cosplay in here. So obviously this is everyone's favorite traitor, Sayaka Maizono, and this is also an extra large. This one, unfortunately, is not as good condition as the other one. You can see there's a coffee stain, I think, on the sleeve, and a couple stains here. But honestly, with like some stain remover and washing, I bet you I could get those out. This one also has an invisible zipper that I am choosing to ignore. See, this is interesting about me and these Danganronpa cosplays that come from manufacturers. I feel like the fit is always just a little off. And it fits me in the waist pretty fine, I'd say. Could be a little tighter, but I don't have any complaints there. Then you look at the sleeve. I can fit a whole other arm in there. Why do they make these sleeves so big? Maybe it's like a style thing I'm not aware of, that like people think big sleeves are cute or something, but I feel like this isn't accurate to the game. Am I wrong? Maybe I just have short baby arms. That is also a possibility. It could be me. Whether it's the shirt or my arms, I think I'm going to pass this along to the next cosplayer. Y'all, the goods just keep coming. This is in pretty dang good condition. There is some makeup, like foundation stains around the top of the collar, but again, that's something that's super easy to just wash out. I don't think there are any skirts in here to go with any of these tops, but like, maybe we can find an accessory? Wait, hold on. Hold up. We have our choice of Mikan aprons. Both of these aprons have teeny tiny stains in different places. Again, wash it. Honestly, any cosplay you get secondhand, you should be washing anyway, so. I actually don't like Mikan's character. I know she's incredibly popular, especially to cosplay, and so much love to you if you do cosplay her. It's just not me. I'm more of a Sonya gal. But I haven't fully played through Danganronpa 2. I actually am going to buy it on Steam really soon so I can do a full playthrough myself. Maybe after that, we'll see if I want to cosplay her. So stay tuned. Okay, I think we are getting close to the bottom. Maybe. We have a wig. Now I am incredibly curious who this wig is intended for, because so far this has been a Danganronpa bag, and I cannot think of any red-haired Danganronpa characters. Except the photographer. She needs a good brush through, but this is a pretty standard long orange Amazon wig. Kind of almost looks like my Blossom wig that I got for MCM London that I gave away in the last swap. No, the bangs are cut. It's not mine. I thought it was a ghost come back to haunt me. Oh, this wig is fascinating. I think this one is for that Bungo Stray Dogs character that that has the fedora. But I will have to double check that with my girlfriend because she likes that anime more than me. Next up, this wig still has a tag in the bag. Oh, this is this is Deku. Now, do I have any desire to cosplay Deku or any characters from My Hero Academia? Absolutely not. He's going to the swap. Getting to the bottom of the bag. Anime shirt. And the very last thing we have in here is this. I'm gonna be so real, I don't know what this is. I feel like she's oh! Did I snap your arm? Oh no, it's supposed to move like that. Okay, we're good. I feel like it's probably Monster High. Do you have like a logo on your back like Barbies do? See, I was a Barbie kid. I wasn't a Monster High kid. 2008 Mattel. I think Mattel is Monster High? Yeah, who knows? To the swap she goes! And with that, our bag is empty. minus whatever just fell out. Out of everything in this bag, I am tempted to keep the cloak and maybe the Peiko cosplay, and jury's out on Mikan. We'll see how I feel after I play through. Everything else will be going back to the swap event in January of next year, 2024, at Mill number 5 in Lowell, Massachusetts. If you can't make it to Massachusetts for the cosplay swap, see if you can organize one where you live, maybe with your friends or social media mutuals, or even contact your local convention and see if they'll host it as an event. Clearly, there is a ton of cosplay out there in need of a new home, and it not only helps the planet, it helps you save money too. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and let me know in the comments what you would have kept out of this mystery bag. Maybe that Monster High doll is like super rare and costs $300 or something. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!